afternoon, good evening. Hope you're doing all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you what I've come to boat here in town. So today I have a CN from Yara Bella. It's a company, this one. So I'm not just marketing the company, but this is a nice one, fertilizer. So another one, I have the flowers and fruits. This is for making grow. So I have another dawa here I'll be doing. So I'll be showing you our journey for this one. So I don't have much to say. Please ensure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Put that notification, at least you'll be getting more videos when I'll be doing. I don't have much to say. I'll be showing you what I'm really doing in the next like a day or tomorrow. So I'll be putting fertilizer, I'll be spraying this one, then I'll be showing you the progress of our farm. So I don't have much to say. I just want to wish you, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. At least let's go together. Thank you so much. God bless you.